TrunkShakers.
What up though? And welcome back to another how to mod GTA video. If you watched the last video for us how to install clothes and car mods, then now you more than likely want to know how to install scripts. Let's go here. We're going to go to GTA5-mods.com, and basically what scripts is things you can do within the game. Like this is a sleep in the car script, enhanced driving script, things like that. But to install these scripts, the scripts is actually probably the easiest things to install, honestly. Let's see. I'm gonna go here and go to most downloaded scripts, and for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to install MENYOO and Simple Trainer. These are the two that I actually use myself, so that's why I'm going to show you how to install those. All right, now you just want to go here. You want to download this whatever script or whatever it is that you want to download. You're going to open this up here. Let's minimize that. Okay. So now that we have this downloaded, you want to go here and open up wherever your GTA folder is, and once you have done that, you want to go here. Always you want to read if it's a readme document inside there, you always want to open that up and find out where or how to install it and things like that, because some things might be different. And with this one, it should be somewhere here. I don't see it. Okay, there it is. So basically for this one, just copy the trainer V to your main file, main folder. So only thing you want to do is select both of these here. All right, so now that those both are selected, for this trainer, all you have to do is take it, drop it in there. That's it. Once you do that, that's done. All right. That's all you need to do out of that. So now you have this trainer. You can use that trainer. Next, what you want to do, let's say for MENYOO, let's go back here. Let's download MENYOO. All right. So we're going to download MENYOO. Or like I said, whatever script it is that you want to actually download. We're going to click that so that it opens. We're going to minimize this here, and all you have to do here is copy and paste these two files. Just drag them, drop them there. That's that for these trainers. The trainers are is more easier to copy than pretty much anything, because you drag them and drop them there. And of course, like I said, read these, install it. You just pretty much drag and drop it into your main directory. So that's that. All right, for other scripts, you want to go here, you want to make a new folder. You can either right click there, or if you're on Windows 10, do that, and you want to name this folder scripts. All right, you want to open up that folder, and if you're on here and you're looking for scripts, let's go back here to the most downloaded, and whatever script it is, let's say for instance you want the single player apartments. Let's just go here and we're going to download this. Going to click that so it opens up for us. Now scripts. Now see, this one already came with the script folder already named. So if a folder comes like that, all you gotta do is be in your main GTA folder, and you just drag it and drop it there, and it will just copy anything to your scripts folder. So that's done there. That's all you need to do. That's pretty much anything you need to do for your scripts folder. If it's a script mod, it goes here into scripts folder, so you never have to worry about that again. And then let's just go get another one, something different, just so I can show you again how to install some scripts. Let's just say this one for instance. I'm just going to download this. I'm gonna click it so it'll open up for us. And as you see, scripts folder. We can go in there and do all this stuff here. We don't really need to, but if you just take it, drop it, it's gonna copy that in here, that. And that's pretty much all you need to do for installing script mods. Script mods is the easiest to install. If you need more help on how to install clothes and cars and earrings, backpacks, and all the good stuff that is on here on this GTA5mods.com, then you want to go to my last video where I show you how to actually install things that you have to go through OpenIV. And if this video was helpful for you, leave a like, comment any suggestions, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching. Peace.